Happy morning students. Today we are going to see exercise 4.5 multiple choice question in unit 4 geometry. Question number 1. If in a triangle AC, that is ABC and EDF, comma, AB by DE is equal to BC by FD, then they will be similar when option 1 angle B is equal to angle E, option 2 angle A is equal to angle D, option 3 angle B is equal to angle D, and option 4 angle A is equal to angle F. So triangle ABC and triangle EDF is a similar triangle if AB by DE is equal to BC by FD and angle A is equal to angle E. Then angle B is equal to angle D. Angle C is equal to angle F. Therefore, the correct option is option 3. The answer is angle B is equal to angle D. Question number 2. In a triangle LMN, angle L is equal to 60 degree, angle M is equal to 50 degree. If triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR, then the value of angle R is option 1 40 degree, option 2 70 degree, option 3 30 degree, and option 4 is 110 degree. So given triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR, then angle L is equal to angle P, angle M is equal to angle Q, angle N is equal to angle R. Then angle R is equal to 180 degree minus of angle L plus angle M. Angle R is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree plus 50 degree, which is equal to 70 degree. So the correct option is option 2. The answer is 70 degree. Question number 3. If triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with angle C is equal to 90 degree and AC is equal to 5 centimeter, then AB is option 1 2.5 centimeter, option 2 5 centimeter, option 3 centimeter, option 4 5 root 2 centimeter. Triangle ABC is isosceles. Angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 45 degree. Then angle C is 90 degree. That is angle B and angle A is 45 degree. Then angle C is 90 degree. Since 45 degree is equal to AC by AB, which is equal to 5 by AB. So 1 by root 2, that is value of sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2, which is equal to 5 by AB, which is implies AB is equal to 5 root 2. So the correct option is option 4. The answer is 5 root 2 centimeter. Question number 4. In a given figure, ST is parallel to QR, PS is equal to 2 centimeter and SQ is equal to 3 centimeter, then the ratio of the area of option 1 25 is to 4, option 2 25 is to 7, option C 25 is to 11, and option 4 is 25 is to 13. So the ratio of the area of similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. So area of a triangle PQR by area of a triangle PST. Area of a triangle PQR by area of a triangle PST, which is equal to PQ square by PS square, which is equal to 5 square by 2 square, which is equal to 25 by 4. Where PQ is equal to PS plus SQ, which is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So the correct option is option 1. The answer is 25 is to 4. Question number 5. The perimeters of two similar triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are 36 cm and 24 cm respectively. If PQ is equal to 10 cm, then the length of AB is option 1 62 by 3 cm, option 2 10 root 6 by 3 cm, option 3 66 into 2 by 3 cm, and option 4 is 15 cm. So therefore, perimeter of a triangle ABC by perimeter of a triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ, which is implies 36 by 24, which is equal to AB by 10. So AB is equal to 36 by 24 into 10, which is equal to 15 centimeter. Therefore, the correct option is option 4. The answer is 15 centimeter. Question number 6. If triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, AB is equal to 3.6 cm, AC is equal to 2.4 cm and AD is equal to 2.1 cm, then the length of AE is option 1 1.4 cm, option 2 1.8 cm, option 3 1.2 cm and option 4 is 1.05 cm. By basic proportionality theorem, we can write AD by AB is equal to AE by AC, which is implies 2.1 by 3.6, which is equal to AE by 2.4. Therefore, AE is equal to 2.1 by 3.6 into 2.4, which is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Therefore, the correct option is option 1. The answer is 1.4 centimeter. Question number 7. In a triangle ABC, AD is the bisector of angle BAC. If AB is equal to 8 cm, BD is equal to 6 cm and DC is equal to 3 cm, then the length of the side AC is option 1 6 cm, option 2 4 cm, option 3 3 cm and option 4 is 8 cm. So by angle bisector theorem, AB by AC is equal to BD by DC, which is implies 8 by x is equal to 6 by 3. So 8 by x is equal to 2, which is implies x is equal to 4. So the correct option is option 2. The answer is 4 centimeter. Question number 8. In the adjacent figure, angle BAC is equal to 90 degree and AD is perpendicular to BC, then option 1 BD into CD is equal to BC square, option 2 AB into AC is equal to BC square, option 3 BD into CD is equal to AD square and option 4 AB into AC is equal to AD square. So triangle DBA is similar to triangle DAC. BD by AD is equal to AD by CD, which is implies BD into CD is equal to AD square. So the correct option is option 3. The answer is BD into CD is equal to AD square. Question number 9. Two poles of heights 6 meter and 11 meter stand vertically on a plain ground. If the distance between their feet is 12 meter, what is the distance between their feet is 12 meter? What is the distance between their tops? So option 1 13 meter, option 2 14 meter, option 3 15 meter and option 4 is 12.8 meter. AD square is equal to AB square plus AD square is equal to AB square plus BD square, which is equal to 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 25 plus 144, which is equal to 169. So AD is equal to root of 169, which is equal to 13 centimeter. So the correct option is option 1. The answer is 13 centimeter. Question number 10. In the given figure, PR is equal to 26 cm, QR is equal to 24 cm, angle PAQ Q is equal to 90 degree, PA is equal to 6 centimeter, QA is equal to 8 centimeter. Find angle PQR. For diagram, you just refer book page number 199 for this question as well as question number 8 and 4 also. Angle PAQ is equal to 90 degree, PA is equal to 6 centimeter, QA is equal to 8 centimeter. So PQ is equal to root of PA square plus QA square, which is equal to root of 36 plus 64, which is equal to root 100. Therefore PQ is equal to 10 centimeter. So PR is equal to 26 centimeter and QR is equal to 24 centimeters given in the question. Then PQ is equal to 10 centimeter. Also, in a triangle PQR, PQ square plus QR square is equal to 10 square plus 24 square, which is equal to 100 plus 576, which is equal to 676, which is equal to 26 square. So PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. Angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. So the correct option is option 4. The answer is 90 degree. So in this question, options also missing. First one is 80 degree, second one is 85 degree, third one is 75 degree and fourth one is 90 degree. So you just refer this question in your book, which is in page number 199. Then question number 11. A tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the option 1 center, option 2 point of contact, option 3 infinity and option 4 is chord. So a tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Option 2 is point of contact. Question number 12. How many tangents can be drawn to the circle from an exterior point? So option 1, 1, option 2, 2, option 3, infinite and option 4 is 0. So two tangents can be drawn to the circle from an exterior point. So the correct option is option 2. The answer is 2. Question number 13. If two tangents from an external point P to a circle with the center at O are PB. If angle APB is equal to 70 degree, then the value of angle AOB is option 1 100 degree, option 2 110 degree, option 3 120 degree, option 4 130 degree. So OA is perpendicular to PA and OB is perpendicular to PB. Therefore, angle AOB plus 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 70 degree is equal to 360 degree. Angle AOB is equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree, which is equal to 110 degree. So therefore, angle AOB is equal to 360 minus 250 is nothing but 110 degree. Therefore, the correct option is option 2. The answer is 110 degree. Question number 14. In the figure, CP and CQ are tangents to a circle with center at O. Then ARB is the another tangent touching circle at R. If CP is equal to 11 cm and BC is equal to 7 cm, then the length of BR is option 1 6 cm, option 2 5 cm, option 3 8 cm and option 4 is 4 cm. CP is equal to CQ is equal to 11 cm, BC is equal to 7 cm, BQ is equal to CQ minus BC. So which is equal to 11 minus 7 is equal to 4 cm. BQ is equal to BR is equal to 4 cm. So therefore the correct option is option 4. The answer is 4 cm. So in this question also you have diagram. So you refer this diagram in your book page number 200. Question number 15. So in this question also you have figure. You just refer the same page number 200. So in the figure, if PR is a tangent to a circle at P and O is the center of the circle, then angle POQ is option 1 120 degree, option 2 100 degree, Option 3 110 degree. Option 4 is 90 degree. So angle OPQ is equal to angle OPR minus angle QRR. Angle OPQ is equal to 90 degree minus 60 degree. Angle OPQ is equal to 30 degree. So OP is equal to OQ, that is the radius of the circle, and angle OPQ is equal to angle OQP is equal to 30 degree. So angle POQ is equal to 180 degree minus angle OPQ minus angle OQP. So angle POQ is equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree minus 30 degree, which is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree, which is equal to 120 degree. So therefore angle POQ is equal to 120 degree. So the correct option is option 1. The answer is 120 degree. So that's all students. Up to this multiple choice questions, that is exercise 4.5 is over. Thank you students. Have a nice day.